Ooh, all right. I believe we are live. Let's take this outside. All right. So let's go where we're at. We are on Triton. I do have I have weather off now because this is a beautiful place without the weather. I am not running any particular mods other than visual ones. So we got a different skybox over here. And my goal in this series is to set up some outposts with a fair amount of solar and engineering. We have a drill rig running, getting some stone. We have assembler and refinery going, and a wiggling solar panel over there. We have a small drill ship. We have a base started, little room there and such. We have a small welding rig, and then we have been working on this. Wow, this is exciting. No worries. On a solar setup here, and blueprinted it, and then we've been setting them up over here. And we have the first two of many set up here. And my goal is to have a sea of these. I don't know exactly how many that is, but like a lot. I think these are still moving because I changed the sun location there. Let's see here. And so this one's set up. And so now we're just going to keep working down the line. Let's see here. So what I like to do is get into third person and then open up a control panel. And then go to my projector. And keep projection. Should have had that on before. And then I want to align it. And with this plugin I'm using, I can use my keyboard to move them forward. There we go. So now we got the next projection here. Looking good. Oh. Oops, I made a mistake. Give me 1 second. Use the wrong thumbnail. I mean, like, how unprofessional of me. 1 sec. Oh, that's not right. Well, Oh, wow. All right. Well, that's fine. Close enough. I fixed the thumbnail for when other people see it. So we got that set up now. One other cool thing I can do with this plugin is I can see a list of materials that the projector is requiring. So I go to Assemble, and let me take a screenshot of this. Oh, nice. It can tell me what I have. Blueprint missing. How am I missing detector comps? Well, alright. There we go. And, oh, actually, I wonder if it's per... yeah, that calculation seems to be per grid. So the projector's on the main grid, so it didn't detect what I had on my ship. So let's see. We need interior plates. We need 500 of those. Okay, so we need some more of those. And I'm out of space. How many motors? We only need 8 motors. I think we're okay. Okay. Should be good on the interior plates. Then construction components need 260. We're good. Small steel tubes. 140. Good. And everything else is less than 100, so I think we're set. And let's go do some welding. So in the last episode we made this ship, and it's working out pretty good. It's a little small, but kind of any bigger, and I should just go to large grid anyways. It's got 3 large thrusters going up, and quite a few to the sides, including these flats. And then it is reversible if I need to do some grinding. So I'm going to start with the tube here. What that weird reflection was there. Oh. Here we go. So I only need, 200 more of these, and then we'll be good. That multi-grid projector plugin also handles these subgrids, which is fantastic. You can even use unofficial servers if you wanted. I'm not sure it works quite as well, but generally does the job. I also have Build Vision, which may be assisting in its work. I don't know. Plug-in version of both. So this time I want to test and see if it does solar tracking without me renaming anything. I think it should be fine, which would be fantastic because I don't really want to rename all of these. Good. I mean, it does seem to be facing the sun. I think we're okay. I'm missing a couple of pieces on one of these. Yeah, no. I mean, it seems to be good. I think we're set. I'm going to take this back. I think I need more interior plates. Should also queue up some more too. It's so much lighter now. Let's see. Interior plates. So we need 600 or so. Small steel tubes, we're still good on those. Yeah, we're set. Nice thing is this is small grid, so it really doesn't use much. I'm kind of wondering how far out I can go with just a single projector. We shall see. I guess I could put an antenna on both things, and then I could do it from... I could stay in the vehicle the whole time. Kind of like that idea. Nice. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. I like it. We're using truss pillars and neon lights for these connectors, and I like it because it gives at least two things you'd have to break to disconnect it. I mean, luckily we're not going to have anything attacking the base, so it should be fine. It's mostly just protecting against me. Yeah, if I don't... It's kind of funny, like it automatically seems to rotate. Yeah, hopefully I don't need to set any of this up. Hey, how you doing, Reaper? Starting printing stuff out here. And hopefully I don't have to do any custom configuration on them, they just work. I'm going to add a antenna and see if I can just do everything from inside the vehicle. Let's see. I think we'll do a more permanent antenna area later. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Just figure I'll keep this one out of the way for now. Don't crash into it. Yeah, if I can just do this all from the vehicle, that would be nice. Antenna. Let's see. All right. Go in here for now. Excellent. And then we need more interior plates. Should be good. Terminal, projector, line, perfect. Bunch. Well, I'm gonna get at least one row going across, and then and probably figure out what spacing is on the next row. But this should be pretty quick, especially now that I don't need to get out of my vehicle. That's pretty awesome. And I got plenty of power, so, well, we'll see. I might need to recharge the ship at some point too. Actually, just so that I notice if I miss anything, there's a highlight option. This highlight option is so nice on like vanilla servers when you're repairing a ship or something. Looking good. Turn my signals off. Don't need those right now. like it. I would like to do some AI blocks for flying at some point. They're just sometimes they can be really frustrating. So, like, I was thinking I could throw them on this right now, but like that, if they work great. If they don't work, they crash into stuff. Good. I guess I could set up more projectors, but I think this is probably about as proficiently as I could do this. That's pretty dang quick. At least for doing a massive project, it's like kind of outside, using a vehicle. Nice and sunny. It's not too bad. Beautiful day here on Triton. Oh, what am I missing? Oh, small steel tubes. Well, that ought to do it. Yeah, I'm glad I put that highlight on. That way I'll notice if I miss like one component here. Like that. What I'm missing. Oh, motors. I emptied out the motors before and forgot to refill them. How dare I? Motors. If you're still there, Reaper, how's your new series? Is it out yet? Ooh. I think a couple of people are getting a little more excited about vanilla encounters now. glad. I really like them. I think they King did a great job at adding them. That's over there. That's extending. Cargo. We're just gonna always need a lot of interior plates here. Maybe fill up this first one with them. Oh wow. Oh no, that's the medium container. Okay. Got a lot of those now. Oh, hopefully we're good on the rest. Oh, that's starting to look good. Technology at its finest here. Luckily, like, none of this is very thick with a bunch of blocks. So it works pretty well with small grid welders. I think it's so funny that the projection actually moves to face the sun when it's like not welded up yet. I wish there was a way to check what I was missing on that. Well, I guess I could look at the projector. Computers. Oops. It's gonna be funny to see like how much power I'm getting from small grid solar panels. The whole thing will probably fill up like one battery. Projector. Yeah, like I knew I wanted to do a solar playthrough, and I I was thinking about doing the moon, but like, this is just so much more vibrant and bright and nice. Construction components. The moon is just so dark and ugly. I like the idea of a moon base. Just, I guess I don't like the idea of streaming a moon base. Okay, why is... There we go. It's gonna be interesting going diagonal, or like the next row. As long as I work one row at a time, though, it should be pretty safe. Thinking maybe I'll leave that projector where it's at. Because I'll be able to do another row with it. And whenever I need, I'll bring another one out this way a ways. Interior plates. We have enough? Maybe? Just enough? Let's get some more. I'm glad I didn't put up more big solars. I would have been running into them. Oh, speaking of running into things. Really? I mean, I am grateful that at least at least this had 1 health instead of 0. Oh my gosh. Computers. Wow, I did not hit that hard. Oh my god, everything broke. I'm out of large steel tubes now. I think it just bumped it. That, you know, it's kind of ironic. That's like what I'll be excited about in SE2 is that kind of speed minimum for damage, you know? Good Lord. Oh no. I think I heard the junction in the middle. Really? I did. Oh, well, yeah, maybe I'll need to change the way I handle that next time. I don't like having a connector that I can't repair, you know? Okay. Hopefully we've recovered now. Jeez. Okay. Interior plates. Nice. I think we're good on that. Pretty sure we're good on the rest. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Gentle. Oh no, I've reached my limit. Can't go on. Okay. So, how far was that? I mean, that's pretty dang far. That's nice. So, I assume I've got a similar distance in each direction. So the next one should be kind of a ways out this way. Projector. Add that to build. I guess I could just come from here. We will cheat. That 3? Looks like 4. Yeah. Gonna be so nice. Yeah, so I'm thinking somewhere around there would be good. Get rid of these. I think right here. I don't want to accidentally put it too far, and then I can't, you know, reach. Really? How did I? Oh, I didn't plan on the control panel. Makes sense. Kind of funny, I'm used to using projections with build and repair, so I'm like, oh, I gotta turn build and repair on. Okay, blueprints, solar array. Highlight, keep projection, and align. Okay, gotta rotate this. Not that way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the long side is on the right. Oh. Yeah, let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good on that. Yeah, I'm sorry this one's a little, I don't know, repetitive, but I don't know if it seemed better than, like, hey, I just built an entire wind farm off camera, you know, like, I totally didn't do it in creative. I think I'd just rather show the process, you know. Okay. Because I think generally people don't really see projects like this very often, I guess. I mean, maybe on YouTube videos, but still it kind of clips a lot of them. So it's at least hopefully somewhat interesting to see how it was done. Now that I got the hang of this really isn't that bad. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Okay, we were almost good, but yeah, it was weird. It like made both. It was the regular and the small head. Should be good now. Oh. I'll have to make sure it rotates correctly. I guess maybe, I don't know, maybe I could do like another line of them or something, or a row of them off camera sometime. I'm not sure. Okay, this is hopefully moving into position. kind of funny. I have that rotation speed so slow it does take a while. Looks good. Okay. And projector 2. It is so nice being able to just do that remotely. I guess if I did scripts, then I could do that assembler has a thing where you can copy what you need. So I could probably like use a inventory manager to make sure I always had that many materials in my ship. Until SE2 comes around and they put scripts on official servers, I'm probably gonna avoid them when I can. Scripts are super reliable though compared to some things. Pam is just incredible. Am I out of steel plates? Jeez. Okay, let's go get some. And let's not crash into the connector this time. Yeah, steel plates. Okay. Looks good. Seems safer to do this from this side. I still don't know what that camera's missing. Yeah, I kind of wonder, I may end up taking down this solar panel at some point. I mean, we could use it just maybe in a different location. It's all part of the iterations that made the base. Been hit by a projection. It's so weird. I don't know why. I mean, at least it places a small grid, but just also does the other. Fine by me. As long as I didn't have to do like the split out multiple grids and such, that would be awful. I mean, I think space engineers in general, if they just added default support for small grid projections, would just be a lot more fun. Well, subgrid projections, you know? I guess the problem in SE1 though is just the PCU having a lot of small grid objects on a base doesn't perform very well. It'll be interesting to see how this place starts working eventually. Because supposedly having grids next to each other, even if they're on connectors or subgrids, is kind of heavy performance-wise. Like even on the Draconis Expanse server, they would have you park 2K away from your base. Like, really? They were that serious about it. So we'll see. It's come along. This is a lot of panels up so far. Yeah. It's so awesome. This came out pretty good. It's pretty. It's actually pretty low PCU generally because I'm using these larger truss blocks. I mean, there's not really much else I can save on other than cutting down the camera. Now, one thing I didn't do is I didn't add lights to these. In the future, I want to do a little more experimenting with, like, since these do rotate at night, like making the nighttime cooler on them as well. I don't know. Nice. Moving right along. Hope y'all are having a good day out there. It's a good day for space engineers. Yeah, if I tried to do this, oh man, if I tried to do this on the moon, there's no place this flat. Right? So I'd be like going over all sorts of terrain. Ugh. Yeah, I just don't know that I could make a farm this big on the moon very well. and just the moon's smaller, so you actually nice. The moon's smaller, so you get a lot of curve. Supposedly, I guess Triton's a moon, but as far as the way it shows up in Space Engineers, it's a planet here. Actually, I think in Frostbite it's a moon that's like smaller. I'm not sure. What am I doing here? Let's bulletproof glass. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that new series, Reaper. We are gonna. Whoa. Gonna stay in the sun. I mean, I want to make a new refinery area, but technically, I really don't need a lot. Am I out of silicone? Whoa. I ran out of silicone. Alright. It is time to fix the drill. Let's see. I thought I'd be able to make it without fixing the drill. Rotor off. Drills off. Let's see here. So that goes about to the lip. Let's see if this works. Too far. Hmm. Question is, how do I know if it locked? Hmm. Well, let's do extra. I mean, that probably locked. I mean, I like to live dangerously. Or, I guess, to be safe, I could weld that up. I don't need to weld that up if it did lock, but I really don't know if it did. Nice. It did. So now, I should be able to unlock this. Or unattach it. Detach. Well, actually, I didn't even need to detach. I just need that. Yeah. If this works, it's going to be fantastic. Oh, wait. And the question is, can I fit 3? I don't think I can. Jeez. So all I got is 1 extra in there. I'll take it. Have a good one, Reaper. Thanks for joining. Well, I mean, at least this wasn't a lot of work to add 1 more piston. I think it'll all get easier as I go. Piston. Oh, rotor. It's the only advanced rotor I have. Okay. Well, it's the only unlabeled advanced rotor I have. Piston. If this works, it's going to be pretty awesome. I think it should. It's all lined up. Nice. Great success. Yay. It didn't crash. Oh, whoops. Those are... I needed those. Okay. So that's good. Drills on rotors on pistons. Think that'll be okay. Yeah, it's gonna wiggle more with an extra piston in there. And, whoa. Yeah, these are gonna get banged up. Wait, why did that get banged up? That worries me. What hit? Is it just rocking too much? Well, maybe it hit one of the corners and that radiated through. Could be.
Energy low.
Okay. Switch to these and they should be safe. Yeah. That was good though. That actually, that hit did
Energy
radiate
critical.
through more blocks, which helped it. Okay. Whew. Oh, that solar's looking good over there. Okay, yeah, that should be good. Rounded, shouldn't hit anything anymore. Oh, that is going way too fast though. Pistons. Okay. Oh. Actually, I may not have turned on one of those rotors. They're both on. Oh, I forgot to set the new one on the bottom. Wait, no, not the bottom, the top. Okay, so the bottom one's going 0.8. The top one needs more, but I don't know what. Let's try 0.4. Oops. Crap, which one was which? This is actually top. Top. And 0.4. And is it moving? Rotor. Bottom. Oh, 0.8. Okay. Okay, it is moving. We'll leave it slower like this for now. I think that's better. And the pistons actually need to reverse them a little bit. Okay. Let me extend them a little bit. Pistons. See if I can just minimum distance it. No. Okay. It's a little closer now. I guess I should make it a little deeper. Oh, here. I forgot I actually have a remote control. Okay. That's closer. That's working. I'm moving. I think we're good on that one. Whew. Okay. Base. And we're going to need some interior plates. A lot of them. For cargo, here we go. 6. And then there was something else I was short on. I need some construction components. Okay. Nice. All right. Yeah, I'm stoked. This is looking great so far. Vector 2 online. projector. There we go. And then I should be able to do the second row pretty easy because I'll already have the projectors nearby. Just nudge them over a row. So that shouldn't be bad. The projector's working great. It's remembering the settings, and I'm not having to redo them every time. Thank goodness. We should actually. So maybe what I'll do is I'll have one row going, and then this gives us enough power to expand. I mean, I'd like to do a whole bunch of rows, but those take a long time, and I might do some off camera. But we do have plenty of power now to run more refineries, which means we can kind of work on refineries next time, I'm thinking. Solar. So yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. We'll kind of split up working on this, and we'll do some other projects in between each row. Yeah, that'll be nice. Cool. All right. I mean, I don't think that's not gonna overpower those batteries any. Let's see how they're doing. Yeah, they're only half full. Yeah, no, that should be good. So we got enough solar panels to cover expanding the refinery, and then we can get some real production going for that, I think. I'd like to have... I don't know how big I want to go, but I do want to go kind of big. Then I need some sort of warehouse to store it all. Yeah, that'll be fun to work on that next round. Solar panels seem to be great, so I'm gonna get rid of this as well. Let's see here. I just kept this around just in case I needed to work on the blueprint or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's fighting back. God, don't hurt me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah, that would not have been good. It was in full attack mode, man. Clang took over. Oh, nice. So it's good. We got a fair amount of power started. We got our solar farm started going. We got solid blueprint for that. We did test the method for extending the piston drill, and that worked good. And I think it'll just continue to work better later. And that was way easier than redoing the whole bottom section. And we got that started again, so we'll start getting some more silicon. That's pretty good. I mean, we can always make a mining trip as well to get whatever. Like I might go get some silicon just because we use it for the solar panels and such, but I don't think we need it yet. I'm kind of wondering if my hand grinder would be better for some of this stuff. Oh yeah, my inventory's full too, I think. What crashed over there? Is it me? Sometimes it's so hard to like aim at these small pieces. I'm holding down the grinder. Okay, so we got that cleaned up. Everything's oh no, that didn't work right. Pistons. Man, I was just gonna say how great everything was right now. Why is that? What's happening? Maybe I didn't fully weld this up before? Okay. Pistons. Both pistons are on, and they are currently going in reverse. They don't look like they're reversing now. Is this too heavy? Is it too heavy or stuck? Okay, we have stone in the system. Okay. Let's turn off these drills. Okay, I don't have any minimum or maximum. It's got a negative velocity. I don't really know what's happening here. Did I get stuck in the voxel or something? Let's see what happens. Alright, I got stuck on the voxel. Ugh. Alright, well, everything was really close to being fully functional. Let's see here. I mean, again, I actually do think that these extra blocks help protect from some of those issues. You'd think running a piston wouldn't be this complex at this point in the game. But some days it just is. Okay. Wow. Okay, I think that is fully functional now. The whole thing is moving slowly. Let's make sure this top one's going a little faster. I generally put it at like double the speed of the bottom one. Or sorry, half the speed of the bottom. Oh hey! Welcome, Prime. Yeah, been making a couple solar panels here. Just a couple.
Energy low.
I think it's coming along pretty well. Get a little energy. Yeah, it's coming along good. I'm just troubleshooting some drill issues. I had the speed wrong, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, finally a real solar farm started. I mean, I'd like to fill up like this whole area, but it just takes some time and it's not super entertaining, so I think I'll break it up into like chunks like this. Yeah. Get this drill fixed here. So just Okay, that's probably good for the distance. And then I want to make this crazy slow. Yep. Drill. On. Okay, should be good. Yeah, well, so the way that I added another piston is I used a landing gear to lock the bottom in place. But that means I needed to replace this, and then when I reset up the speed on it, I set it up wrong. So I think that looks about right now. So as long as I keep it going slow, it should be fine. I should probably use beam blocks for this. Yeah. I guess I could use share inertia tensor as well. But I think we're good. Yeah. Pretty sure we'll be okay. Yeah, it is wobbly. Well, I added that extra piston there, so the more pistons, the more wobble. Not much you can do about it. I'm balancing the weight a little bit, but the wobble really is just coming from the drills. Yeah, probably. The new Prototype drill doesn't really have much wobble. It's pretty nice. I can also do small grid on the bottom as well. That would have a lot less wobble. Yeah, probably. It'd go slower though. Yeah, should be good. Nice. So today I got all this solar done, which is awesome. And so that means we have enough power. So next episode, I'll get started on kind of redoing the refinery section and maybe get some storage going, maybe warehouse sort of thing. Yeah. So that'll be fun. But yeah, I think I'm actually going to wrap up a little bit early today, just because I've been doing a lot of welding. Prime, it was great to see you. Thanks for stopping by, and looking forward to seeing everybody in the next episode. So, hope you enjoyed. Catch you later. See you, man.